All right, last spin. Let's hope not. We need one anywhere.
Anywhere.
Oh my God. All right, guys, just hit a bonus on, I don't know the name, Bao Zhu Zhao Fu. I'll show you over here. This game, you know the game, the Firecracker Game, right there. All right, here we go. $1.76 bet. Extra spin feature. Let's get it. Let's go. All right, come on. Fill that screen up.
Let's go.
Oh, that's our extra spin?
I gotta get it. Yes.
All right.
Big numbers.
Big numbers. Yeah, let's see some 4 digits. 4 spins remaining.
I saw a minor.
What'd you see?
I thought I saw a minor.
Okay, let's bring it back. Saw minor. Where is it?
Anywhere. Drop it in.
Oh no. Come on. Don't take it down to the end. Don't do this. All right. Back to 4. All right.
Come on, drop it in there.
Whoa, no. Come on.
Drop it.
Let's see some good numbers. Let's see some with words. There we go. Yes, and another one.
Fill it.
Go, baby, go.
Give us a grand.
Oh, yeah. Oh, one more to go, guys. Come on. Let's see.
go.
We don't see it in there.
Oh boy. Come on.
Come on, prove it wrong. Prove it wrong.
Get it.
It's not in there. We have 2 spins to go.
Come on. Get it.
Come on. Oh, no. It's not in there. No, it didn't happen. All right. Well, our first attempt at this game anyway. The green one was all lit up, so decided to give it a try. $24, $1.76 bet. Do a couple of backups or we're done?
Sure.
All right, couple of backups. Come on. Let's flip another one over. Oh, do both. Do both. All the way. Oh, that would have been nice. Nothing there. All right, guys, we stayed on it. We just triggered the ultra spins.
Ultra spins. Here we
Come
go.
on. Let's see what we can get for it. Ooh, look at that. All right. 3 spins. First time we hit this bonus. Oh, look at this. Kind of like the Mighty Cash Ultra. Added $2 to that.
Oh, that's what that is.
All right, let's keep that up then. Keep adding. Come on. Oh, $4. So we wanted to start on the very left or the very right when that bird comes out.
Drop it.
Yes. There we go. Come on, third. Don't stop on us.
You want to drop it in there? Anywhere.
Yeah. Oh, there you go. Anywhere. Oh, didn't fly by. Uh-oh. Come on.
Anywhere.
There we go. Get another one. Yes, and another one. Come on, big numbers. $2. Get the bottom one. No, we didn't get the bottom one. But we reset our spins. There we go. Yes. All right. Come on, stay on the left.
To the right.
Oh.
Does it only do one at a time?
Well, it can go this way, but if it doesn't do any more, then that's it. Oh, there we go. Come on. There we go. We got a chance for each one of them. Come on. There we go. Uh-oh. It's jumping over quick.
Drop it in there.
Yes. Oh, that's a nice one. Do it again. Oh, it did not. Find some more numbers. Oh, he's going to help us out. 2, 4, 6. Come on.
All right. Come on, drop it in
All
there.
right, 1 spin. We got to find it. Oh. All right, that bird is helping us out.
Wait, went the wrong. Oh.
There we go. Come on, right below it. Oh, $10. Looks good.
Drop it in there, drop it in there.
That was the last spin. Come on, hit them all. Hit them all. Oh, that's the end of it right there. All right, not bad. That's a nice one. 11, 7. Then we have a 14 coming up. All right, $68. $1.76 bet. And we cleared out the firecrackers. All right, do a couple of backup spins. Ooh, almost had it go in there. $7.20 for that. That's nice. All right, guys, we just triggered a double up feature. Moved our bet to 264. Let's see if we can get something big on this 264 bet double up feature. Ooh. All right. I might need to back up a little bit for this one. Come on, baby. We need some big numbers. 4 digits. Come on. Keep those spins alive. There we go. Yes. Keep resetting those spins. Drop them. Drop it. Yes. Little numbers. We need something big. Come on. Drop us something with words.
Oh, I see those words back.
Yeah, they're just going through. Oh, no, no, no. No, 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 no. Come on. We need one in each card. One in each card, baby. Yes, come on. Come on, bottom one. Get it. Oh, no. We lost the bottom one. All right, let's focus on the top. There we go. Come on. Wait. We need the top card to make up for the bottom one. Come on, let's get something up there. Oh, boy. All right, let's see our winnings. Not as good as I like to see it, but it was a double up feature by itself. No, we didn't even get 50 out of that. All right. Well, we did get 37.50. So we still have the green and the purple there. Green one. Get both of them. Oh, no, we did not get the green one. I thought we had the green one. All right, guys, just hit the bonus. We moved our bet up to 352. Triggered the extra spins. Come on, baby. Bonus time. Oh, we did get the mini. All right, the mini's worth $40. Take a look at the progressives real quick. There we go. Come on. Fill it up. There we go. Come on, we need to bring some more words.
Come on.
Bring the words out. Oh, I saw something go through. All right, keeping our spins up.
Come on.
Yes.
Come on, big numbers.
Big numbers, she said. Come on, we want 4 digits.
No whammies, no whammies.
There we go. 4 digits or words. 4 digits or words. Nothing. Yes. Oh, yeah. Okay, we'll take them. Little numbers, we'll take them.
Come on, fill her up.
Something. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay, we'll take them. 2 more, guys. Come on, let's find 2 more. Do it in there. Come on, don't take it down to the end. Don't take it down to the end.
No.
Last spin, come on. 1. No, we didn't see it. All right. All right, not bad at all. Almost got 100. Looks good. All right, $98. And those firecrackers are still lit up. You want to do any backups?
Sure.
Sure, let's get it. That's what we're sure. All right, look, we're down to our last bet. Look at that, guys. 84 cents. 440 bet. Let's go. Let's get this.
Let's get this.
We need some good stuff. Yes. Oh, just this one. Okay.
Come on.
So what's the difference with this one? I don't know. Oh,
It's still got the thing that flies across.
let's see it. Let's see.
I know. I'm ready. Fly across mini. Anything.
There we go. Come on. $10. $10 everywhere. Come on. We need to see 4 digits, 2 digits.
Come on. Anywhere. Drop it.
Yeah, we need it one at a time. There you go. Keep it going. No.
Come on.
Come on. One at a time, baby. Ah.
Keep going. Keep going.
Come on. Right below it. Right below it. One more time. Yes. Oh, I thought I saw 22.50. All right.
Now drop it in there.
Oh, no.
Uh-oh.
Not looking the way. I don't like the way this is looking. There we go. Keep it on the right side. No.
Come on. We need to drop it in there.
Yes. Back to 4. Good.
All right.
7.50. 2.50. Come on. $5. One more. All right. They're looking good.
Come on.
Come on, guys.
Drop a word in there.
Uh-oh. One more, baby. Slowly adding up.
Drop it in there. Uh-oh.
Oh, that's too far to the right.
Come on, we need to drop it in there. Anywhere.
Oh no, we're getting down to the end. Ooh, do that again. All right, last spin. Let's hope not. We need one anywhere.
Anywhere.
Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Saved us. Thank you, 250. There's a 37.50. 7.50. Come on, do another 37. All right, there we go.
Let's go. Come on. Anywhere.
Yes. Oh no.
What happened?
Yeah.
You ready? Anywhere.
Now let's skip one and then drop one. There we go. Come on. $10.
Where to go?
Let's go. Just one. All right, let's not take it down to the end. Let's get one. Uh-oh. Ooh, 125, guys. Give me some fist bumpy time. Do another 125. One more, baby. One more. Oh, yes.
Come on. Drop it in there. Drop it in there.
Get it. Oh, man. We need that last one. All right, good start. Start on the left side. Come on. No. All right, guys. We need one. Any of those 4 spots.
Anywhere.
Just one. I'll take the smallest dollar amount.
Okay,
Let's get it.
Anywhere.
Let's go. Get it,
Get it,
baby.
get it.
Get it. No, you did not give it to us.
12.50.
Missing a 0 on that.
Keep going.
750. Come on.
Keep going.
No, it's done. All right. Not bad at all. There we go. That 192.50 saved us. 345. Not bad at all. Did we clear the board? I think we cleared it enough, didn't we?
I guess so. Yes.
Yeah, we did pretty good. All right, 348.75. Let's just do a couple of backups and then we'll just leave it. Unless it wants to open. Yeah, of course it's gonna do that. All right, we're done.